Hey everyone, John Sinclair here with another 7-minute morning. We're going to talk a little bit about some core today, and we're going to look at all these different 7 movements that are going to drive forces from the feet through the core into the hands. We call it dynamic integrated. So first drill we're going to do is let's get the hips and pelvis moving a little bit better. Start with a staggered stance, and we're just going to slide the hips side to side. Okay, switch. Okay, once we've done that plane of motion, you're going to go back to the other side, and now we're going to add a little rotation. Real slow, just mobilizing this hip up. Okay, then the other side. Okay, and then the last one we're going to go is we're going to go backwards, forwards and back. Drive that pelvis as far back as you can. Okay, and then the other foot. There we go. Okay, this next one is just a static drill, which means you're not going to see any movement happening here, but we're putting some pressure into a wall. So you can grab a wall or an immovable object. I'm going to put my one foot further forward than the other. I'm going to be on my heel on the front of my foot with my heel off the ground here. I'm going to take the opposite arm of this hand. I'm just going to push into that wall for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Think about creating nice long posture. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we're going to go to the side. So I'm going to stagger one foot to the side. This time it's going to be same arm as lead leg. So I'm going to push into that wall. 1, 2, 3, and off. 1, 2, 3, and off. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and off. Still facing the same way. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to switch. We're going to the other foot forward. We're going to rotate this time so it's opposite of the front leg. Pushing into that wall. Long posture. 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. Off. And move a little closer so I have better leverage. 1, 2, 3. Off. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. Off. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. Off. Very good. So we did some static integrated warding drills, which are great for transferring force from the ground through the core into the arms on those warding drills. Now let's go to the ground. So this one, what we're going to do is we're going to go into a prone position. I'm going to face this way so you can see what my feet do. We're going to go into a plank on your hands, and then from here we're just going to walk your toes side to side. Okay? So make sure you have your hands stacked, or your shoulders stacked over top of your hands. Try to make your back as flat like a table. And we're just marching, but it's a side to side march. Okay, and if you have to stop at any time, go ahead and stop. Take a little break. We'll just try to keep moving here. Ten seconds to go. There we go. Okay, we're going to stand up. Shake that out a little bit. Okay, next one we're going to do is we're going to do a side lunge. with a twist. So I'm going to take a small step to the side, rotate my hands, the other side. So as I step, my body's capturing that energy from the ground, transferring it from this glute and hamstring on my left side across to the opposite shoulders as I rotate. Okay, then I'm going to go to the other side. Last one. There you go. Nice. Okay, and the final drill we'll do today is we're going to do a squat to inchworm to hold, then reverse that pattern. So it'll look like this. You're going to squat down, try to get your hands towards the ground. You can walk your hands forward, walk your hands back, get into your squat, stand up. Okay, squat down, walk your hands forward, walk your hands back, stand up. And again. Again, transferring forces from the hands and the feet through the core as we add multiple patterns together. A crawling pattern with a squatting pattern. Now let's do one more time. There you go. So there's your 7-minute morning. Thanks for joining 7 Movements this week. Practice those drills. They're excellent to kind of activate the core, but also get a lot of blood pumping through the whole body, so that'll aid in your health. Hope you have a great one. Happy week.